Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix MSVCR100.dll is missing and was not found error in Windows. Type MSVCR100.dll in browser search bar, click MSVCR100.dll free download. Type System information in Windows search bar, click System information, in my case system type is 64-bit. Download 64 architecture. Extract downloaded file. Copy MSVCR100.dll file and paste it into System32 and SYSWOW64 folders. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.